everyone, welcome back. Today in this video we are going to start our third chapter of chemistry, that is theories of covalent bonding and the shapes of molecules. If you haven't watched our chapter number 2, full videos are given in my channel, go watch it. So in the first chapter, as we have discussed about what we have done with the detailed study of the structures of atoms, right? We have done that, but after investigating that, now here in this video we are going to look a little concept of bonding. Why does atom do bonding? What's the purpose of doing that? So we are going to investigate that and how atom combines to produce a molecule. Alright. Pehle I'll teach you with my lectures, but then we're gonna go with the book reading, right? We have done about the atom. That atom ka structure we have done. If you haven't watched that, go watch it. We have done the modeling of atom, how many scientists gave, who came and who gave, who was the one who rejected their. Alright, but in this video we are going to like the combination. Alright, combination of electrons, combination of atoms. Now the question arises that why does atom do combinations? Why does atom combine? For getting the stability. For getting what? For getting stability. And when the atom gets stable, during the stability, it releases energy. Alright, you need to keep one thing in your mind, that when the atom is stable, it releases energy. And when the energy is released, so stability is more. Alright, this is a very confusing concept. I'm gonna write here, but please remember that while the combination, atom releases what? Atom releases energy. Okay? And when there will be the low energy, there will be the more stability to be developed. Okay? The more energy, the less stability. The less energy, the more stability. Alright? Okay? I'm so sorry, ये खुद ब खुद चलता है. Okay, यहाँ लिख सकते, no problem. This is the very important chapter of chemistry. It's like a backbone. जैसे electronic configuration was the backbone. This is basically from where most of the questions from the inorganic comes. So we'll study this chapter in very depth, and we'll study in a very good amount. Alright, now for getting the stability, according to stability, atom get stable by two things: by physical combination, by two combination. By physical combo, combo means combination. Alright, so I think first we should go through this physical combination, because we're gonna look chemical combination on the other side. First, let's just cover this quickly. Alright, so what is happened between the physical combination? Physical combination, basically, if we talk about the physical properties, so physical properties of atom says its melting point, its boiling point. Alright, wait a second, let me just confirm. Yeah, physical properties means its structure. Physically, how does it exist? For example, if I talk about a physical, um, like a physical structure of any man. This is a man. Men के चार form कर दो, right? Let me just talk about the physical combination. How does it look? How its color is? इसकी length क्या है? I mean, इसकी height क्या है? What's its weight? What is mass? Mass और weight क्या है इनका? So this is how we call the physical properties, right? But when it comes to the properties of any metal, any atom, so we says that what's the color, what's the length, what's the mass, what's the density, what's the pressure, what's the you can say elasticity, density. All right, so this is what physical properties are. All right, so now let's jump towards this physical properties first. Acha, our one topic of chapter number 2 was remaining to be discussed. I am gonna upload that video very soon. That was Paul's exclusion principle, right? Let's not just discuss in this video. So physical quantities, physical properties, I have told you its color, its length, its mass, like how does this looks physically. All right, तो physical atom combine to form elements. इसके अंदर basically combine to form atoms जो होते हैं ना physically combine to form elements. Right? What are elements? Elements basically means two same atoms are combining to form an element. Alright? अगर हम compound की बात करें तो for example this is H, let's see, so that will form HCl, and here two different elements are combining to form a compound. But when it comes to any element, so two same atoms combine to form any element. For example, we can say nitrogen, sodium, hydrogen, oxygen. So these all are elements that are made up of same atoms. Alright? Now, how does these elements combine? Acha, in the physical combination, you need to remember that charges are involved. ठीक है? Charges involved. ठीक है? And these charges are electrically attract to each other and energy is released. How? As I told you that, for example, let's just suppose this is the proton, ठीक है? Sorry, this is the nucleus. ये एक nucleus है. Let's just make it in a good ठीक है? This is atom and ये हमारे पास nucleus है and this is an atom. Right? Here electron is present. Here electron is present. So can I say that the electron will get attract to this as well? इस वाले न्यूक्लियस से इस वाले प्रोटॉन से इलेक्ट्रॉन get and what about this? Yes, exactly, it can. हो सकता है. So this is how electrically charges are being attached. This is the electrical combination, or you can say this is the combination, physical combination. Okay, this is a physical combo. They are joining by charges. They are joining by charges. So इसको तभी हम कहते हैं physical combination. And you know what? Before starting this lecture, I said you that when the electron will be combining, they'll release energy. तो यहाँ पे energy would be released and they'll get little stability. ठीक है? Just little stability. ज़्यादा नहीं, थोड़ी. Alright? Interatomic structure, or you can say, we can also state that interatomic attraction भी कह सकते हैं. In this situation, in the physical combination, the atoms will not lose its identity. Atom sharing हो रही है भाई, sharing हो रही है, alright? So they not lose their identity, alright? In the physical combination, the atoms will not lose their identity, alright? ठीक है? Now let's just talk about the physical, we have done the physical combination. Now we are going towards the chemical combination, alright? Okay, when we are doing the comparison between two things, so one and the second one is quite opposite with each other, we know that, alright? So here is the same combination by chemical, no, chemical combination, it's not by chemical. Chemical combo, alright? If I talk about the chemical properties, what is the meaning of the chemical properties? Any guesses? Chemical properties basically means the power of attraction, its stability, its reactivity भी कह सकते हैं, oxidization state भी कह सकते हैं. तो basically these all are related with chemical. Chemical bonding means how the atom is chemically born कैसे बनाता है, its stability, its melting point, acidity, basicity, coordinating number, toxicity, एक atom की, एक electron की, एक element की toxicity, bonding formation. So these all are the example of chemical property. Alright, now let's just discuss what the chemical combination says. Alright, so chemical combination basically involve valence electrons. Alright, in the physical combination we said that physical combination involve charges, but in the chemical combination they involve valence electrons. ठीक है? they loses their property, वहाँ पे they do not lose their property, elements or atom do not lose their properties. ठीक है? Okay. Now, for example, what does this mean? Let's just explain. Let me just explain that. For example, this is sodium, and this is Cl. All right. We have 2 electrons, we have 8 electrons, and we have 1 electron. Okay. We have 7 electron over here, we have 8 electron over here, and we have 2 electron over here. ये इलेक्ट्रॉन इसको दे देगा तो it will get positive and it will get negative sign. So here, as you can see, they are losing their property. ये अपने आप को बिल्कुल बदल रहे हैं, ये अपने आप को पूरा complete कर रहा है. It is completing its octet. Alright? So this is how they are losing their properties. They are transforming their cell. Alright? I hope that is clear. Now, they releases energy when they get stable. We know that. Wait a second. Alright guys, I'm so sorry. I just muted my mic. The video was going on. Okay. So we know that when an atom loses any electron to get stable, so यहाँ पर भी energy will get energy lose होएगी and they'll get stable. Alright. Now on the basis, now this was it. Right? ये हमने stability के बारे में बात कर ली पूरी. ठीक है? Now here we are going to talk about some important stuff. कुछ अलग चीज के बारे में we are going to discuss that you all must know. I think you all must know. ठीक है? I have drawn the line. Now let's study on the basis of electron. Alright? We are now going to study something that is going to be very important on the basis of electrons. Alright? So, metal atom. Here you have guessed right. We are going to discuss about the metal atom. Metal atom. First of all, we're going to discuss about the metal atom. Metal atom basically means flow of electron. Metal atom के पास there are thousands of electrons, free electrons, and free electrons are also known as mobile electrons. Alright? So metal atom, or you can say metal always make ionic bond. If you don't know what is ionic bond basically means to, donate, to give the electrons. For example, here we have done, यहाँ पे Na ने donate its electron to chlorine, and chlorine ने ये gain कर लिया. So this is called gaining and losing. Alright, ionic bond we're gonna discuss in very detail. ठीक है, do not worry about that. Ionic bond we'll study. Ionic bond के अंदर metal atom are sizingly very large. metal का जो atom होता है ना, metal atom is sizingly very large. Alright, and due to that, the nuclear force between the metal atom is very weak. Let me explain you how. Let's just write that. Nuclear force is weaker. Alright, is weaker. ठीक है, बिकॉज जितना बड़ा साइज होगा तो ये शेल अपने न्यूट्रॉन से दूर होएगा, अपने न्यूक्लियस से दूर होएगा, तभी हमारे पास द forces of attraction are very weak in the metal atoms. ठीक है, right? Because the outer electron travel away from the orbit and make cation and anion. So ये आगे की बात है. We are going to discuss very basic points. This was it. Now let's just discuss non-metal. ठीक है, by the way I really like this lavender color. Non-metal atom. Non-metal atom do not have free electrons in it. They do not have free electrons in it. They do not have mobile electrons in it. They make covalent bonding. Covalent bonding basically means sharing of electron. We'll discuss that. The atom size or the nucleus size, or overall the non-metal atom are very small. Alright, we know that. And the nuclear force between them, nuclear force is strong because size small है, nucleus के ज़्यादा करीब होंगे. Right, and the electrons revolve around the orbits. We know that. ठीक है. Now the bonding, there is no bonding between metal and metal. आपको मैं clarify कर दूं that metal के बीच में there is no bonding, guys. Metal plus metal, there is no bonding, but yes, they make a mixture, and that mixture is known as alloy. ठीक है, याद कर लेना. स्टार बना रही हूँ, मतलब इम्पोर्टेंट है. बहुत गंदा स्टार है, याद ही नहीं करेगा कोई इतना गंदा स्टार बनाओगे. Right, we have done this. Now metal plus non-metal made ionic bond, and non-metal plus non-metal make covalent bond, right? This was where we have done our basic um, introduction in this video. Hopefully I wanted to give more information, but as the video is going to prolong very long, but after, yep, we're gonna discuss that in the later video. Hopefully you like it. Bye bye.